ALM Welding Positioners. Let us show you how our positioners can improve safety and quality while increasing your bottom line. Proper assembly positioning is a proven method to increase production output, improve safety and quality, thereby significantly reducing cost. Fixed or adjustable base positioners can boost your throughput 35% or more. Many of our customers report a return on their investment in less than a year. Repeatable assembly processes support reliable production and manpower schedules with high productivity and reduced rework and consumables. Our positioner lifts safely bring the work to the worker, achieving the best ergonomic position with unsurpassed speed. Fixed or adjustable base positioners have consistently boosted plant throughput with its inherent increase in profit. Positioning large components for welding and assembly using cranes, chains, grippers, and slings is always time-consuming and hazardous. Rarely is the weldment or assembly in an optimum position for most efficient manufacturing. Elevating head and tailstock positioners with 8,000 to 75,000 pound capacity. Headstock only elevating and mobile positioners with 1,000 to 10,000 pound capacity. 3-axis skyhook positioners available with up to 6,000 pound capacity. 3-axis backbone positioners available with 15,000 to 35,000 pound capacity. Fixed elevation head and tailstock positioners available with 15,000 to 25,000 pound capacity. Trunnion powered headstock available with up to 8,000 pound capacity. Our MHL2P 75,000 pound positioner is available in fixed or adjustable tailstock models. The column-mounted hydraulic lifting and lowering system is electronically equalized. Each lifting column also contains solenoid-operated mechanical safety pawl and normally closed hydraulic valves to ensure operator confidence and safety. The headstock or tailstock can raise or lower independently of each other. Special tooling must be designed to accommodate this feature. A 15-horsepower variable-speed hydraulic unit allows precise positioning with 360 degrees of clockwise or counterclockwise rotation at a speed of 0.2 to 0.5 revolutions per minute with 416,000 inch-pounds of torque. An optional wireless foot control is available. This 3-axis skyhook positioner has a maximum capacity of 3,500 pounds at a center line from the face of the number 1 rotator of 65 inches and 25 inches off the face of the number 2 rotator. The standard MHL1P offers 180 degrees of rotation on the horizontal axis. This video demonstrates the optional 360-degree rotation on the number 1 horizontal rotator. The number 1 horizontal rotator is variable speed with 133,000 inch-pounds of torque. The number 2 vertical axis rotator features 360 degrees of rotation standard. The number 2 vertical rotator is also variable speed with 74,000 inch-pounds of torque. We also offer this model in 6,000 pound capacity. ALM positioners can be custom designed to meet your specific requirements and provide improved weld quality, simplified tool access, consistent repeatable assembly procedures, higher productivity, reduced consumables, proper ergonomics, which will reduce operator fatigue, improve safety, and reduce injury risk, higher throughput, and profits. All of ALM's positioners are manufactured in Rock Island, Illinois, in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. ALM's unique positioner designs have proven to be a more cost-effective equipment investment than competitive designs, while improving safety for welders and operators. Proper positioning has proven to safely improve weld quality while boosting production throughput as much as 35%.